Hi guys, Andrew's here with a new video. Today's video is a short one, but it's gonna be a cool one because I want to share a pretty cool discovery with you. We all know that the new C8 Corvette has debuted. It was an amazingly beautiful car in my opinion. Yesterday I was looking up some photos of the C8 and the current C7 Corvettes and I stumbled onto this white car. I was intrigued right away because in my memory, the Corvette has always had a front engine layout with the exception of the upcoming C8. I wondered, did I just see a prototype between the C7 and the C8? What really is this car? At the front, it's got a sharper, more aggressive, and angrier bumper than the regular C7 Stingray. And the two air vents on the end suit the side sections really well, which includes the shape of the headlights. There is this almost crazy rear diffuser that transforms the Corvette into a supercar like it is supposed to be. The black side skirts look perfectly in line with the overall design of a C7 Corvette and it pairs really well with this white body. Not sure if the side mirrors are meant to shape like little fins, but I think this little circle is actually a camera, similar to that of a Porsche 918. Lastly, and most importantly, the hatch. On the regular C7, it is largely covered by a piece of glass, which also acts as a rear window. But on this one, the window gets smaller and the hatch seems to act like an engine cover. Now this is a great look. It pretty much gives the Corvette a spider look. All these seem really intriguing and I thought this was a concept created after the C7. It isn't a new C8, but rather a redesign of the current C7. And then I saw this photo. So it turned out that this car is a C7 Corvette Stingray with modified exterior designs. It isn't surprising to see Corvette body kits nowadays, but I think this one really captured the look of a C7 and enhanced its dynamics. To me, this design should have existed all along because this is what a C7 should look like as an option. And so I clicked into the photos website and it took me to an article which talked about this Corvette and the designer who brought it to life. The man is Steve Osorio, and he led ADPM Motor Works in Los Angeles to design this new look for the C7 Corvette. The article mentioned that he joined Faraday Future in 2015 as the Director of Operations. Just to confirm this, I found the man on LinkedIn, and he was indeed the head of design operations and advanced model development at Faraday Future. The term Faraday Future instantly rang a bell in my head. If you are into car news or electric cars at all, you probably have heard of Faraday Future. I remembered about 2 years ago, this company unveiled a prototype electric car called the FF91. And I watched plenty of videos made by the big content creators on YouTube. Both the tech community and the car community had their eyes on this car. Set its crazy performance aside, it was a very unique and stunning looking electric car. Tesla cars, which I'm a fan of, all look pretty good, but I don't think they are quite up to the level of being stunning. Don't get me wrong, I love how Tesla looks, but I think the FF91's design has more characters. It's sleek, it's bold, it's futuristic. When I was a kid, I'd imagined what future cars would look like. In Steve's work, the FF91 looks just like the futuristic car that existed in my childhood imaginations. Here's what a sci-fi future city may look like. And the FF91 looks like something straight out from a sci-fi movie. Now, we know that the FF91 never went on sale, and I believe that many car enthusiasts, including me, are more or less disappointed at not seeing one on the road. But the idea that it has such nice aesthetics explains everything. No wonder why Steve's take on redesigning the C7 Corvette looks so good, because he is one of the key designers behind the Faraday Future FF91. On my channel, I always focused more on talking about a car's designs, features, and performance, but I never mentioned any designers. Seeing Steve's Corvette redesign, it made me realize that behind all the beautiful cars we see, there are always these talented, passionate, and hard-working designers. Mr. Osorio and his ADPM Motor Works brought a refreshing mid-engine look to our beloved C7 Corvette, and this is a prime example of the importance of design. I will be traveling to Los Angeles soon to film some cool cars, but now I also want to check out this guy's studio. Well, who knows what's gonna happen? We will find out in my future videos to come. That's pretty much it for today's video, just to share some cool designs I saw with you guys and express some feelings. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up, share your favorite car design with us in the comment section below. Show this video to your friends and subscribe to What We Drive. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in Los Angeles, California.